the savory flavors. At home today, we are going to make crispy potato chips. Hope you would love the taste of these chips. For recipe in Telugu, please follow the link mentioned in description. Potato chips was invented in Saratoga Springs, New York in 1853. Potato chips are commonly served as a snack or side dish. It is one of the most popular snacks among all age groups across the globe. Homemade potato chips are healthier than store-bought ones as they use only potatoes, oil and seasonings, so they are not packed with preservatives. Many people think that making potato chips at home is a very tedious and tricky process, but you can make perfectly crispy potato chips at home easily and season them as per your wish. Let's see the ingredients. Potatoes medium size 2, total 320 grams approximately. You can use any type of potato. Salt as per your taste. Red chilli powder as per your taste. Oil for deep frying. Wash and wipe the potatoes. Peel the skin with a peeler. Wash the peeled potatoes thoroughly with water by rubbing each potato with hand. Wipe them completely with a kitchen towel. Potatoes should be completely dry without any moisture. Place potato slicer on a plate. Use a slicer with which you get very thin slices. Take one potato and slice it carefully without slicing your fingers. You should get very thin and transparent slices like this. Like this, slice the potatoes. Spread a big cotton cloth on kitchen platform or on a table. Place the potato slices side by side on cloth in such a way that they do not overlap. Like this, place all slices on cloth. After 5 minutes, turn the slices upside down so that moisture on the other side will also be absorbed by the cloth. Wipe the slices completely with cloth so that there is no moisture. Take the dry slices into a plate. Take oil in a pan for deep frying at medium flame. Once oil is hot, drop one slice at a time and drop the slices according to the space in the pan. Do not overcrowd the pan. Separate the slices if they stick to one another and let them fry. Once they are light golden brown, flip them with a perforated ladle. Once they are fried light golden brown on the other side also, then Take them out from oil with a perforated ladle. See how crispy they came. Take them into a mesh bowl or strainer. Do not take them on a paper napkin or plate. Like this, fry remaining slices in batches, including the broken ones also. See how crispy the chips are. Shift them into a bowl. Mix salt and chili powder in a small bowl according to your taste. Sprinkle part of salt and chili mixture on chips and toss them. Add remaining salt and chili mixture and toss so that the chips are coated well. That's it. Crispy potato chips are ready to eat. You can eat them as it is, or you can munch them while eating khichdi, bisibelabath, sambar rice or burger. You can store potato chips in an airtight container after cooling completely. So, we have seen how easy it is to make crispy potato chips at home. You try them once and let me know how they are in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, press like, share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for visiting the Savory Flavors. Okay, bye for now. See you soon with another interesting dish.